I don't think we would have been able to grow at the rate that we have without having their system in place. I mean, roughly our growth has been around 40% each year.
So Will, back again.
Yeah.
I was here 3 years ago when you were actually Vertex.
Yeah, it's gone quick.
You're now Infinity CNC, and to see where you were back then with one machine to now a workshop full is nothing short of impressive, mate. It's been amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Now, when I first visited, we came to see you about PSL Datatrack because you just started using their system. You were a brand new company, brand new thought with one machine to now this. So what's that journey been like over the last 3 years?
It's been tough, to say the least. Yeah, a lot of long nights and that sort of thing. But yeah, no, it's been really good. PSL have helped us no end. I mean, we actually purchased PSL before I even started Vertex, as we knew it was something that it was a must-have.
Now, obviously, you went from Vertex to Infinity, so that's quite a lot of name changes on quite a lot of paperwork. So how easy was that to do through PSL?
Very easy. We didn't really have to do much at all. We just had to send them our new headers and they sorted the rest out for us.
And obviously when we first came to visit you, you were just using it for quoting.
Yeah.
Now obviously you were quoting work for one machine.
Yeah.
You're now quoting it for not just even one workshop, because you do still have the old building as well.
Yeah.
So how has PSL helped you in take that step up?
So we have different cost centers. So each machine has its own cost center. So for instance, the sliding head, I'd select sliding head when I quote a bit on there. And then for the milling, I can then select milling, fixed head, and then routing. So we even it out quite well.
And I know we were talking before this, and you've actually took on all the quoting yourself. And obviously if you've got to do all the quoting and run a business, you need quoting to be as quick as possible because you don't want to be sat at your desk very often. So is it made it a lot easier to keep the business running knowing you have that in the background?
100%. I think we're now at around 5,000 quotes on PSL, which is quite a lot.
Obviously, I see your growth on LinkedIn. I followed you since we were there last time. And to see what you do year on year with the help of PSL, because are you using any of the other functions for PSL other than quoting?
A few of them. All the guys use their login. Their attendance is all done through PSL as well. So at the end of the month, it's easy for payroll. We just print it out. It tells us what hours they've done, tells us if it was a bank holiday, if they were sick, and it's just easy for payroll.
And again, that keeps you out the office and more on the shop floor.
Yeah, I just have to send it to the accountant and it's done within half an hour.
And obviously with PSL, all that tracking and traceability must be great for you as well. Yeah,
for our customers as well. So all drawings can be uploaded to PSL, all material certs can be uploaded to PSL. So all I have to do is go to the works order and everything is there, and then I can send it to the customer.
And I know we keep talking about how it makes it easier for you, but also that must be nice for your customers as well, that they can have any documents they require at just a click of a button from you.
Yeah, and it's easy. It really is easy.
So my final question to you would be, has that journey with PSL, or how has the journey with PSL been through the last 3 years, going from one machine in your workshop with just you and your dad to now having 5, 6, 7 members of staff?
Yeah.
And a full workshop full of machines?
I don't think we would have been able to grow at the rate that we have without having their system in place. I mean, roughly our growth has been around 40% each year, if not more than that.
Well, thanks for having us back again. It's been great to see your progression over the last 3 years.
Yeah, no, thank you.
And I look forward to seeing where you are in the future. But where do you see yourself in the future?
Hopefully in a bigger unit. We're looking at one at the moment. So hopefully that will all come off. We need more space. We're desperate for it. More staff, more customers, and just see Infinity CNC keep growing.
Well, Will, I wish you all the luck.
Thank you very much.